Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete messages for everyone on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. After opening WhatsApp, tap on a group or a contact where you want to delete your conversation. Then, long tap on a message you want to delete. Tap on the trash icon right here. After tapping on the trash icon, you can see three options: delete for everyone, delete for me, or cancel. To delete this message for everyone, just go ahead and tap delete for everyone. And there we go. Your message has been deleted and no one can see your message now on. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.